So next up, we'll be looking at zone 3, which is from 2,000 to 2,300. So right here and right here. Looking up at zone 3, there's no peaks present, but functional groups that we would be looking for if there were peaks would be an alkyne, C triple bond to C, or nitrile, which is carbon triple bonded to nitrogen. So after this, since there's no peaks in zone 4 present, or zone 3 present, we'll be looking at zone 4, which is 1650 to 1850. So right here to right here. And as you can see in this little region, and this region is just kind of a dead zone for interpreting IR spectrum. So there's no zone in either of those places. This is zone 3. Now we're looking at zone 4. So different kinds of bonds that we're looking for in zone 4 would be a ketone, an ester, aldehyde, and an amide. So the ketones will be present from 1750 to 705. So we've got 70. So no, it doesn't look like there's any ketones present. Esters are also from 1750 to about 1735, so it's about in the same area, and there's really nothing. Next up would be looking for an aldehyde, 1740 to 1720. Once again, no. Carboxylic acid, no. An amide, which is 1690 to 1650, also no. So next we'll be looking at zone 5 to see if there's any peaks present. So there hasn't been any present in zone 3 or 4 yet. And then in zone 5, which is from the wave number of 1680 to 1450. So around the same area, a little bit farther over here maybe, to 1450. So we do have a couple of peaks present. What we'd be looking for here is an alkene or a benzene. So the stretching frequency for an alkene is about 1600, which you do have something here. So C1 to C. And then the benzene structure varies, but often has 2 peaks. So it looks like there's a benzene right here in zone 5. Stretching frequency is 1500 to about 1450, which is the exact range that this is in for my IR spectrum. So we definitely have a benzene ring present. From this right there. So we have an alcohol, an sp3ch, an alkene, and a benzene present for our structure. So after this, after completing the mass spectrometry and infrared spectroscopy, we'll be able to draw our structure based on the information we found through both methods.